Once the bargaining stage of the negotiation is complete, it's time to try to reach a consensus. This involves setting aside unresolved issues and focusing on areas of agreement. Activity. Divide yourselves into groups of 4 to 6. Each group to write a definition of consensus in 25 words or less. When you are finished, each group to read its definition. Reaching consensus. Your answers to the following very brief list of questions will tell you whether you have reached an effective agreement. 1. Have I reached an agreement that comes as close as possible to fulfilling my interests? 2. Will other parties to the agreement fulfill their commitment? Do we have a good process for measuring and monitoring fulfillment by the parties? 3. Do I feel satisfied by the substance of the agreement and the process by which it was reached? 4. Would the other parties give the same answers to these questions? Once negotiators have reached consensus, the hard work of building an agreement begins. In performing this task, negotiators move from general issues to specifics. The old expression "the devil is in the details" applies to this stage of negotiations. You don't want to let a dispute over some minor detail throw the entire negotiation off track. Building an agreement takes a special skill, the ability to translate generalities into specifics. Negotiators should realize that at this stage of the process the bargaining is over. They should try to create an agreement based on a fair and accurate interpretation of the consensus the parties have reached. At the same time, they want to be careful they do not inadvertently give something up by not paying close enough attention to the written agreement. Activity. Divide yourselves into groups of 4 to 6. Consider this hypothetical situation. Labor and management have reached a general consensus on health insurance benefits for employees. What are the next steps for negotiators in building an agreement? Each group to report on what it came up with.